How to remove any virus from Windows 10 computer. Today in this very short video, I'll tell you one of the most powerful and easy way to remove all the viruses. Alright, and you just have to follow 4 steps in 4 or 5 minutes and we are good to go. Just make sure you restart the machine once we are done with the 4 steps. Alright, so let's get started. Here at the right hand side, the first step is click on this up arrow key and double click on this Windows security. It will open up like this. You just have to click on this virus threat protection and click on quick scan. Alright, so once it is done, let it be scanning your computer. It might take 4 or 5 minutes or maybe less than that. Minimize it and here just do a right click on the start icon and click on run, or you can simply press Window and R. It will open up a run window like this, and here we need to type clean mgr. Alright, so once I type clean mgr and hit enter, this will appear, this cleanup. Make sure you select the C drive where the operating system installed. Let's say if I had installed my OS, my operating system on D drive, I would have selected D. In my case, I have selected C and clicked on OK. The moment you do it, this is a very clean computer. It doesn't have junk here, but in many cases I have found there are tons of like 40 GB, 100 GB of junk sitting in the computer and making the computer slow, as well as the viruses. So here I will select all the check mark. Make sure you check all the check mark. It currently only 16 MB, but in your case definitely it will be higher. So once we select all these options, hit enter or press OK and then click on delete files. These are the files created by the computer, not by you, so don't worry about it. So the second step is done. Now we will be moving to third step. So press Window and R, open run and type temp. Here again I don't have much junk here, so I need to select any of the folder, press Ctrl A and then press Shift and delete on your keyboard, and it will delete all those junks. So and later on, if few files are remaining, you can simply skip it. Alright, so this is done. Now again I'll press the Window and R, and here I'll type %temp. Alright, so we are moving ahead and we are getting rid of viruses right now. So click on OK and select any of the folder, Ctrl A, Shift delete, hit enter. Ctrl A, Shift delete and hit enter. So it will delete all. In your computer maybe you would have hundreds of folders sitting there, all the junks, all the viruses and bad registries. So once this is done, you just have to restart the machine and your computer will be good to go. Make sure, just check here, the scan has been completed and it has removed the threats. Let me know in the comment section if you still have any issues. Alright, and please hit the like button to this video and please do share and subscribe. I'm really working very hard for you guys. I need your support. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.